But let's go ahead and get into our first outfit. Like the description says, the top is padded. You do not need to wear a bra with this. Not see-through at all. There's a little like bra underneath there, as you can see. This top is really, really comfortable. It's also a really nice thick material. It's very, very stretchy. It feels way more high quality than what the price is, honestly. It has just a really simple back. My absolute favorite part about this outfit is definitely the leggings. I got them in a size extra small because I did want them to fit nice and snug around my waist. I do have so many leggings that just have a big gap in the waist here, and I don't like that at all because then they tend to like fall down really easily. So I would say that these fit me pretty much perfectly. They have the really nice V cut in the front, which is just so flattering. It makes your waist look so much smaller than it is. There's no front seam going down the middle of them, which is my preference. So it does make them nice and smooth across the front here. They do have really deep pockets in both sides of them. So as you can see, my entire phone fits all the way in them, and I have like the really big size iPhone. The cloudful material that these are made out of is just so buttery soft and breathable and stretchy and just hugs your body, almost as if you're not even wearing anything. These just feel so nice on my skin, and I could easily wear these all day long running errands or lounging at home or obviously going to work out in them. These are going to be a new staple in my closet for sure. Let's test these out with a squat test, shall we? So as you can see, they're not see-through at all. The waistband did not fall down as I was squatting, and they were super comfortable to move in. I am just feeling myself so much in this outfit, I don't want to take it off to film the next, but I have to. I'm wearing the top in a size small, and it's a really comfortable fit. It does have the removable padding in it, which is actually perfect because it has this really beautiful low back crisscross detail. So with the padding in the front, it's perfect so you don't have to worry about pairing a bra with it and then hiding the bra in the back. It is a longer cut, so if you don't want to show your stomach, this top is going to be perfect for you. I just went ahead and tied this up in a little elastic so I can show you guys the details on the leggings. I'm wearing these in an extra small, and I think that they fit me perfectly. What I love about these is the little color block detail on the side here. I've never seen a pair of leggings with this detail, and I think that they're just super cute and unique. They do have that same V cut in the middle, just like the black ones, and they're made with the same cloudful material, so they're super soft and breathable and stretchy. They do have a really thick waistband on them as well, which is great because they'll help conceal any belly insecurities that you might have, which you shouldn't have any because you are beautiful the way that you are. As you can see in the gray color, they're still not see-through at all. Naturally, this gray color would show any bumps or cellulite that you might have, but whatever magic these are made of, you see nothing. The waistband does not wiggle down as I move around in them, which is key because it's so annoying when you have to keep pulling your leggings up after every single move. There's no pockets in these ones, not on the sides or in the back or anything. They do have a super smooth, seamless front on them. These do come in multiple different colors, so I would highly recommend picking up a few pairs. Even if you don't wear them to the gym, you can wear them for your day-to-day activities and look super chic while still being very comfortable. I'm wearing the top in a size small. It comes in white, black, and olive green. I love the cut on the bottom of it, how it kind of goes higher on the sides compared to in the front and the back. It's just so flattering and just another one of their pieces that they designed to just really snatch your waist in. That is one thing that I've noticed about Halara is they really design every piece with the body in mind to accentuate it in the most flattering ways. It's a really nice, stretchy, breathable fabric, super comfortable, and it does have the little thumb holes right here. I would wear this outfit on a crisp morning walk, on a hike, to grab some coffee, wherever. These, again, have that super flattering V-cut in the front and no seam, so they are really smooth and seamless in the front. They do have the pockets on both sides. I love the length of them where they cut off just above the ankles. Do my legs look extra long in them? I really love the color of them. I don't have anything quite like this in my collection, so I was super excited to add them. These leggings are perfect. The material is on point. It's stretchy, not see-through, stays in place. We need to talk about these leggings for a second. Cargo pants are so trendy right now, and now you can have your own cargo leggings. These are so cute and unique, plus they have all the nice butt lifting features. They have this little V-stitch in the back, and that's going to make your butt look rounder. Plus these nice big pockets, which are going to make it look bigger. And they have that scrunched up middle seam. They're doing the absolute most. These feel like they're in a thicker material compared to the other ones. And they do have a really nice, thick, double-lined waistband. And they do come in several different color options. They're definitely not see-through anywhere. I probably wouldn't choose to wear these to the gym. These would be more for my day-to-day activities when I need to look cute. Also, look how cute the back of this top is. I love a backless sports top, and this one does have the removable padding in it as well. I just wanted to show you guys that little scrunch butt detail on the back of these cargo pants really quickly. It says it's a 2-in-1 top, but honestly, like this arm piece and the actual top itself, they are sewn together. You can't separate them, so it's not really a 2-in-1 top. Here's the back. And then, as you heard in the description, it does have the thumb holes. I think that this top fits me absolutely perfectly. It does come in 3 other colors. I think there's 4 total colors. I'm getting them all. I didn't even know that I needed something like this. Turns out I need multiple items of this. And then here's the leggings. These are actually super, super cute as well. So in the back, they have that B-cut, which was on the front of the other leggings, but this just makes your waist look smaller and your butt look bigger. Yes, please. Plus they have these really subtle contour lines that go underneath the butt cheeks and then right up the side up here. I just think that looks so good. The waistband is nice and thick and they don't fall down as you walk. They also have this really cute detail at the ankle where they have like the raw hem. I think that they do hit me at just the perfect length right above my ankles. Okay, I know I said I didn't want to take the first outfit off, but now I don't want to take this one off.